Hey guys, it's me, Rose, and welcome back to another royal video. I'm so excited to be making this video because you know I made this cloud light back in 2020 and I'm posting it now in 2021. You know, I don't know why I do that. I just hold on to videos so long, but hey, now I'm posting it. So today I'm just going to show you guys step by step how I made this cloud light. And this cloud light was really aesthetic and just very different because it's not your typical LED light that you just put striped around your ceiling. I felt like that was really boring, basic, you know, no offense, but yeah. And I got this idea from this other YouTuber who did the cloud light. She gave me the rundown, so I'm gonna link her in the bio below so you guys can check her out. But yeah, this is how I made my cloud light, and this is how aesthetic it made my room. And I feel like it's so cute. It's so much stuff you could do with it. So yeah, before we start the video, let's roll the clip and be sure to subscribe. Be sure to subscribe because if you're not subscribed, I don't know what you're doing. But yeah, let's roll the clip. One more thing, I got this whole LED thing on Amazon. Literally every single thing that I got to make it is on Amazon, so all the link will be in the description below, so be sure to check that out. You will need a hot glue gun. You would need some paper lanterns in different sizes. You will need the LED stripe company, and this is the one that I got, and they're called Gove. It's actually a really popular one. You'll need some polyfill fiber to make the shape of the cloud, clear wire, and some hooks. So the first thing you see me doing is going to open up the package and look at the sizes because you have to make them look like a cloud, and clouds don't look like a perfect ball. So this is the first size, and this is like a more medium size. You can see the sizes are a little like smaller than a bigger size, and you just want to play around with the sizes and just get it fitting the right way. And when you get it fitted, you're just gonna glue everything together and make it a whole, you know, the shape. This is basically the shape of the cloud. So this is the company that I used, and this is so cute, and this is how it looks, and this is the set of it, and I'm just going to show you guys what it comes with. So this is just a quick explainer video of what this is about, and basically I'm just gonna go ahead and turn it on, and look how cool all the colors come out in different colors and different like rhythms, and it's just amazing. And we're gonna go ahead and see what this does, and I guess this is the brightness. Also, this is each color, so it's like a light blue, you have a like a yellowish normal color, red, yellow. This is like a green, darker green, blue, light blue, purple. This is like a sky blue. This is like just normal colors. So I guess those are all the colors, and this is the different ways they can go. This is really cool. I think I'm going to be using this setting the most. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and use the app. So now it's time to glue everything around the lanterns, and basically I'm taking the string of the LED and just testing it out and seeing where I want the light to be facing. And since I'm just going to be having it closer to my head, I want the bottom to be covered for sure, so I don't want to miss that. So as you can see, I'm just going to take off the tape and just bring it and stick it around with my hot glue gun, and just stick it around the whole lantern. So now it's time to put the glue on, and basically you're just gonna stick it on to all the glued parts, fluff it up, get it to the way that you like, and just continue doing that the whole time. And it's just so much fun. I had so much fun doing this part, and you just have to have a lot of fun, play around with it and fluff it up and just make it look like a cloud. And this is how it happened. So now I'm thinking about putting it right here above the bed of the corner. So this is where I'm just gonna hang it up. So this is where the clear wire comes in handy, because you're gonna need the clear wire to basically hook on the metal pieces in the lantern, so it can basically make like a triangle hook, and then that's the part that's gonna latch on the actual hook. So just keep watching and you'll see. And literally the little remote thing fits perfectly, and it goes right behind this ledge on my bed, and it's all behind here. And I could literally, you know, put it as much as I can in there and put like something here so you won't really see too much. See how everything looks with the light off? So this is the final look, and I'm so excited, and I love the way this came out. This came out so freaking cute, and it just bring my room so nice together, and I just love how my room came out. Be sure to watch my room decor video to see how I did my other lights in my room. But I use the app, and the Gove app comes with things you can do to customize it, change the colors, change the patterns, and that's what I'm doing right now. I'm just changing and playing around with the buttons, and be sure to connect to the app so you can get all these cool tricks. Thank you so much for watching. That's it. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, because this video was actually so much fun to do and make, because it was something that I really enjoyed doing, like decorating. So be sure to leave a comment and just explain anything that you like or you need to know where to get it from. All the links will be down in the bio where I got this whole thing. I got it from Amazon. So thank you, Amazon. Link in the bio to get every exact thing that I use. You will see it right there. And if you have any other questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Please like this video and subscribe, because you don't want to miss what's coming next to this channel. And plus, if you're not subscribed, I don't know what are you doing. So just subscribe and be part of an amazing, cool, aesthetic club. And yeah, let's see you next time.